Hello, I hope you are all healthy. In this video, we are going to tell you how to perfectly maintain your face skin. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel. It gives us the motivation to make more content. So the first step is cleanser. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Choose a cleanser that's appropriate for your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or sensitive. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face. Second is tone. Using a toner after cleansing can help remove any remaining dirt or impurities and restore the skin's natural pH balance. Apply a small amount of toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it over your face, avoiding the eye area. Third is the use of serum. A serum is a concentrated treatment that targets specific skin concerns, such as dark spots, fine lines, or hydration. Apply a small amount of serum to your face and neck, using upward motions. Fourth step is eye cream. The skin around the eyes is delicate and prone to wrinkles, so it's important to use a specialized eye cream to keep it hydrated and nourished. Apply a small amount of eye cream to your ring finger and gently pat it around the area, avoiding the eyelids. The fifth step is moisturizing. Moisturizing is essential to keep the skin hydrated and supple. Choose a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin type and apply it to your face and neck, using gentle upward motions. Sixth step, sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial for preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to your face and neck 15 minutes before going outside. Reapply every 2 hours, or after swimming or sweating. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to a daily skincare routine to see the best results. And don't forget to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep for healthy, glowing skin.